Okay kids, let's learn a new concept called upper bounds and lower bounds. Okay, so now if 38 centimeter is the whole number, and if we want to convert it into lower bound, so basically whole number means 38.0. If I want to convert it into lower bound, this 38.0 will be what? 38.0 will be 37.5. So as this is 0.5, we can round up this number to the next higher number, which is 38. So then your answer will be 38.0. Now as we have got 0.5 steps behind, in the similar manner we will go 0.5 steps forward. In case of 38, it will be 38.5. Yeah, now it is pound 450. Okay, nearest to tens, okay. Pound 450 nearest to tens means what? This is your tens place, so we will take that into consideration and write the number. So lower bound will be, we will go one step behind. Lower bound will be 449.5. So when you round this off, this will become 450, as this is 5.5. Now as we have got 0.5 behind, we will go 0.5 forward. Always remember, how much you go backward for lower bound, that much only you can go forward for upper bound. So that your upper bound will be 450.5. Are you all together? Now 165.5 kg, one decimal place. Basically we want answer in one decimal place. So 165.50 it is. So what will be your answer? It will be, we have to, when you round this off, this should come like 165.5. So your lower bound will be 165.45. So see, now when you round off, when you will round this off, this will become 165.5. Now we can see that from 50 we have got 0.50, we have got 0.05 steps behind. So that way we will go 0.05 steps ahead for upper bound. Same we will go ahead. So that will be 165.50. 0.05 steps ahead will be 165.55. Next sum, 405.65, 2 decimal places. So when we convert it, we want answer up to 2 decimal places. So we will write same thing because we want answer in 2 decimal places. So before decimal your number will be 405.65, 405, and after decimal it will be 0.645. I have got one step 0.6, instead of writing 0.65, I have written it as 0.64 and then 5. So when you round this off, this will become 0.65. Now we have gone 0.005 steps behind. So in the same manner, we will go 0.005 steps ahead. So that will be your upper bound will be 405 points. Instead of 650, it will be 655. Yeah, next 99,200 kilometers, nearest 100 kilometers. Here things are very simpler. They have already given the bounds. Now nearest 100 kilometers means you will divide this 100 kilometers into 2 parts. That is 50 kilometers you will go behind for lower bound and 50 kilometers you will go ahead for upper bound. So 99,200 minus 50 will be your lower bound, that is 99,150, and your upper bound will be 99,250, because we will go 50 kilometers ahead. Similarly, 70.6 centimeters square, nearest is 0.2 centimeters square. Nearest word comes means you will split it into 2 parts, that is 0.1 lower bound, 0.1 upper bound. So your lower bound will be 70.5 because it is minus 0.1, and your upper bound will be plus 0.1, so it is 70.7. So always remember, in certain questions you all will see that in question they have asked only lower bounds, only upper bounds. Whenever you have to find upper bounds, do not find it directly first find lower bound and then only find upper bound, but because upper bound is little bit tricky. When you get your lower bound, then after that finding upper bound is very much easy. Okay, thank you so much kids, have wonderful time watching this video. Bye, see you.